This afternoon we're going on our next visitor site on the western part of James. This is Puerto Egas. Named after a businessman who started a salt mining industry, and so it was the early 60s and we became a national park in 1959. So Mr. Egas and his business had to go. Today, we're very proud to say that the government of Ecuador made this place a national park, and we have created 70 visitor sites for about 1.5 miles each. It's a very slow percentage. It's less than 1% of the over 3,000 square miles that the Galapagos are.
You know, I don't know where else you would get to see this, have this sort of experience other than in the Galapagos Islands, just with how it's been untouched and how wonderful they are about making sure it stays untouched. It's just amazing.
A few places and a few people will change the world forever. One of them is Charles Darwin, and he owned this place. It will always be linked to him. And it makes us very happy and proud to be walking on the same very footsteps that Charles Darwin walked over 100 years ago.
Island, one of the oldest islands of the Galapagos archipelago, and we are located right now at Garner Beach. This is a gorgeous place. This area is full of sea lions, and what we are able as well to observe here are the mockingbirds, and the mockingbirds are very curious. You see them there as well. They're always digging in the sand, looking for food. You know, for these larvae of flies in the sun, and they're removing all these. Of course, they will feed on anything, whatever is available. But they are amazing animals. They will do anything in order to survive. Look, they are coming again. They're very curious. They can jump into your hat. They are coming in your back, inspecting if there is any food. They have learned that sometimes we carry water, and this is something precious in the Galapagos. Look how close they're coming. He's inspecting me.
You are amazing, little one. Hello. You should get lots of insects in here. It looks as if it's riddled with woodworm, doesn't it? It's riddled with woodworm. Yes. You should get. Oh, look, you're so close. Isn't that just wonderful? It's so close. I mean, that's just sheer magic, isn't it? It's wonderful. Yes, it's a lovely experience. I hope I can remember it. The expanse of white sand, beautiful aquamarine sea. The sea lions just up there, not seeming to take the blindest bit of notice of us, which is again magic. I think it's a great pity we can't bring more children here so they can see how the planet used to be before mankind comes in and wrecks it. But I'm hoping here you've got a stronger policy that won't allow it to be developed.
Now, I've been working in these islands for 40 years, and one of the things that is most rewarding about the Galapagos is how well protected they are. And, you know, we visit many different spots on the islands, but only a tiny portion of the islands. About 97% of the entire archipelago is off limits to anyone except scientists doing research. So we really are preserving this archipelago for future generations.
Well, Jesse was up here and he was trying to land on Jesse and Jesse wouldn't let him. I was up there, I said, oh, come on.
Oh, he's giving you a kiss.
Yes. He has really pretty yellow feathers on his upper back. I'm telling him what a pretty bird he is and how nice he is and that all these people are coming to see him.
My favorite twig. Things up. It's a nice twig. Would you like to take this?
Okay, there goes the head. Goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, how's that? Yeah. Oh, yes.
It's a red-footed booby, and the red-footed boobies have been in love with everybody on our boat today. Many people have had them rest on their head, their shoulder, their arm.
He keeps coming. No. Is he gone? Nice to ride.
Yes, it does.
I got some good pictures. Lie down. Spread the rumor, please.